Today we stop bleeding, stop paying for expensive captcha solvers. I'm showing you how to smash through Cloudflare using OpenBullet 2 and completely free tool. So let's speedrun this. First of all, we need to learn what is Cloudflare. Think as the bouncer of an exclusive club. Before you get to the website server, you have to pass the bouncer. When you use OpenBullet normally, you will look like a robot. You have no browser fingerprint. Your bot cannot solve it. You got blocked. Game over. The standard fix throwing service like 2CAPTCHA or anti-captcha or cap solver, etc. You send them the puzzle, a human somewhere types and they send you back the pass. It works, but it's slow. And if you are running heavy config, your wallet is going to zero faster than your hit rate. Now I'm going to introduce you with a free tool, so don't blink. Let's go to the tutorial. There is a tool called Cloudflare Bypass GitHub. The tool download link I will be providing in our tools download channel. But now, first of all, you need to run the server. This will be the file you will get. Now, first thing you need to install Python in your PC. Then you need to run this server requirement.pip install, then server, just this, and hit enter. It will automatic download the files. Then after you have installed the requirement, you need to just install. You run python server.py. That's it. A server will be running on the background, and if you have all your files installed, it will show all okay. After that, there will be a server running on your local host. So today let's jump into our target. We will be solving this website or bypassing Cloudflare of this website. This is a demo of no captured Cloudflare. Here you can see in the demo there is a Cloudflare URL. We can just run it from browser. So if we give a get request, just normal get request from the OpenBullet tool, it will show us like this, and in the header of the first will just a moment. That's mean it has blocked us with Cloudflare. To bypass this, we are going to use tool. So this tool is running on port 8000 on our local host. So to bypass Cloudflare, we need one cookies, that is CF clearance. We just need to parse this cookie, CF clearance cookie. If this cookie is okay and user agent is okay, then the website will automatically get us into the website without stopping or giving it just a moment message. So let's see how we can. So as we can see, our website has been blocked with the verify captcha. To bypass it, take a request, or we can just create a format. Take a constant string, name the string as target URL or target. In that value, just paste your captcha value. Great. Now in the response, you need to type, let me zoom it, you need to type in the URL localhost port 8000. Then as we need CF clearance cookie, we will get the cookies from here. We can do HTML if we want to visit the HTML site website. So at this point we need cookies to bypass the protection, and in the URL you can just paste the URL or just format. Great. In the content type, just paste it application JSON. This is all you have to do. Then the thing you will need, make it, click on start. It will take time and the server will work in the background. Here we can see it has generated cookie, and we can see the CF clearance payload and the user agent. Great. Now if we just need to parse. As we give the URL with the Cloudflare clearance, we have success get into the website header. So if this video, so this was a simple method of bypassing. That's for today. Want more advice on this topic? Comment part 2. Thank you for watching. Hit a subscribe. See you in the